In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a document in Docusign. If you've ever needed to transfer document ownership to a colleague or teammate, this straightforward process will guide you along the way to ensure everything runs smoothly. First things first, let's head over to the Docusign platform. You'll want to navigate to the website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, the dashboard will be your starting point. Next, direct your attention to the menu options available on the dashboard, where you'll select Agreements. This is where all your important documents are stored, and accessing this section will make it easier to manage any document you wish to assign. Once you are in the Agreements section, you will see a list of documents. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the document that you need to transfer to someone else. On the right side of each agreement, there are 3 dots, sometimes referred to as the Action menu or More options. This is where you should click to proceed with assigning the document. After you've clicked the 3 dots, you'll see an option among the list that says Transfer Ownership. Clicking on this will allow you to initiate the transfer process. This feature is especially useful when roles in a project change or when the primary task management of a document needs to be shifted to another individual within your organization. Once you've clicked on Transfer Ownership, you'll be taken to a new screen where the names of potential users will be displayed. This is where you select the user you wish to assign the document to. Review the list and click on the intended recipient's name. Ensure that the person you are assigning the document to has the appropriate access and understanding of what managing the document entails. Selecting the correct user is the final step in transferring the ownership. Once done, Docusign will process this change and the document ownership will be updated to the new user selected. It's as simple as that. This function is invaluable for maintaining efficiency and flexibility in dynamic work environments. So there you have it, all the steps to reassign a document in Docusign. This process allows for seamless collaboration, while ensuring that all necessary team members have access to essential documents. Following these steps not only helps you stay organized, but also makes sure that everyone remains on the same page, figuratively and literally. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher on the process. Thank you for watching, and happy